Good Monday morning. So status on the engine mounts. I got these made here in this weekend, and I'm pretty happy about it. Fits really good. Just need to get it a little closer to the frame, and about half an inch. And then after that, I'm going to produce an transmission mount from around here under the trans here and over to the other side. And I will make it so I can bolt it and mount and dismount it to easier get the transmission out in the future. So that's the task for today. Let's fucking go. So, time flies by when you're having fun. So now I've had the last small pieces on the motor mounts, and I got finished with the transmission mount. So that's how it looks. Yeah. That is fucking nice. Now I'm ready to take off the engine and trans again and finish up the welding on these motor mounts. And when that is done, I will take on the front axle and get it under the cab today. I hope I get so far. Alright, so far so good. Now we started on the rear end, the suspension, whatever you call it, 4-link system. And this is I'm actually gonna make a K-link like this outside to the rear axle. And the same on the other side. And I'm gonna weld this on underneath here. And then I got all these parts done for the axle. And this is the front brackets for those reaction arms. Finally, it's time to get the frame under the cab. I got these reaction arms just tacked on to start with. So and yeah, that's done, and then I have marked up for the steering, made some 2 brackets to bolt it on, but before I weld those on, I want the chassis under the cab so I can get the right angle on the steering, but it's gonna sit right here.
West of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins. And on the road is where I found freedom, and hotel rooms is where I found peace. I spent my whole life running from Iowa. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. We started off before I started school. Mom and Dad said we're headed south, we're gonna move. Well, I hung on for a year or 2 after, but I forgot that house and Trail Ridge Road. I spent my whole life It's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul.
Alright guys, big moment. The cabin is ready to mount. I've just put some rubbies under the cab down to the frame in the right height, and now I'm ready to install the what do we call them? The cabin mounts. That's actually the original ones from the International. So yeah, they are fitting right in the cabin. So and I have shortened them so they fit the frame. So it should be really good. Now I just have to tack them on, and then I put down the frame and so I can drill the holes. I have to make a little construction to this corner, just to you know what I mean. And then the cabin is on the frame. I like it. Alright, now I have the cabin mounted on the frame, and the frame is down in the lowest possible position. So therefore I will now, you can see the step sides here, they are a little too low in the original form, so therefore I have to cut off 7 centimeters of this. so I can go way down with the truck and have them level out at the ground when it's all the way down. So now I have the brackets for the step sides. I'm going to cut off 7 centimeters here as well, and then we're gonna mount it again and watch if everything fits like it should.